Shout out to Links and the whole team, the whole family, doing the things, supporting artists. Right now, I have a brother and a friend, DJ Wallpaper. How you doing, man?
I'm good, bro.
Charlie, AFCON, what do you think, man?
AFCON.
I'm sorry I had to start like this, bro.
The money wasn't enough. I would have represented Ghana.
You? What position?
Me?
Yeah, number 7?
No, 9.
Number 9?
Yes, I'm an away. Where else should I play?
Oh, my goodness. So, comparatively, who do you play? Like Osimhen, Lewandowski, Benzema?
Comparatively, I'll say I'm Chikarito.
This guy is not compared. What are you talking about?
You will see me before you know I'm scoring Chelsea.
Anyways, Charlie, what club do you support though?
Manchester United.
Oh man, you're also going through it. It shall be well.
Yes.
But bro, you have an event coming up.
Yep.
Before we get into that, how's the nightlife in Ghana? Let's look at last quarter 2023. How did the preparations for December go? How was your experience in December? Was it as exciting as it seemed?
Well, last quarter wasn't so exciting. Maybe because I was business focused, I didn't pay attention to the enjoyment. But there were a lot of major events I didn't go to because I wasn't able to perform. I rather played some parties here and there, and then it was better off financially for me than the previous years, where I go and then I'm comparing, I'm adding the enjoyment to the work.
Right.
Play small, enjoy small. Yeah. So I actually prefer the previous December, but I don't like the other ones.
Okay.
Financially.
Do you think creatives are now getting more business-minded, more financially astute? Because before we just wanted to have fun. Play music, MC, and go home. But right now it seems like people are wising up, so to speak.
Before we were just concerned about what to eat, where to sleep.
Yeah, right.
The girls texting us.
You guys. Oh, big ups to you
I
guys.
left it from you.
Big ups to you guys.
But now I think people are thinking beyond generations. They are trying to build something that others can benefit from. And then it's becoming profitable. People are building, there are online stuff that you can, now DJs can put mixes online that generate income for them. So far as people keep listening, the money will keep coming.
Nice one.
So it's getting very proper.
And one factor when it comes to being business-minded in this space is hosting events. And you have an event coming up. Tell me about this. Not the first of its kind. Not the first.
No, this is actually the 4th. The first 2 were just test runs.
Yeah. Those parties were lit. Those were test runs.
Yeah, they were test runs for me, so I wasn't doing it for profit. I don't actually do it for profit. So events help me in so many ways. It's actually an easier way to reach a larger market. Because if I'm booked for a party, there is a 99% chance there are 3 or 4 other DJs on it. There are artists on it. I am sharing the platform with a whole lot of people. It's not centered around me. And if I am not lucky to play peak time, nobody will even remember me. And there's this point where people are actually drunk before you play. Everybody's like, the DJ was fun. Who was it? And some DJ B.
Yes. So all these things go into...
All these things go into events. It's not really about... Because I'm not an events promoter. I am just putting things together and creating an experience. So it's not just about the music. There are other things that go on. You've been to my party before. I have 2 major parties I do. One is yearly. That's the Vibe Experience.
That's what's coming on.
That's what is coming on. And funny enough, it is always around my birthday, not on my birthday.
But was that planned? Because you're saying funny now.
No, because I did the first 2 as test runs. They were in November. And then the 3rd edition, I had people helping me. And there came the conversation. You can't do it in December, even though December is like your biggest market time. That is when you play your gigs. So clear your gigs. January is a free month for you. Use it to plan it for February.
Oh, okay.
So the 1st edition, the 3rd edition actually fell on my birthday because that was the first weekend.
We're giving out gems today, man.
It's just God doing it.
Yeah, but that makes sense, from a business perspective, for, your plans, and how you put things out, leading to December. Okay, so tell me about this experience called the Vibe Experience.
The Vibe Experience.
Why the Vibe Experience?
Okay, so let me go back to the word vibe. It wasn't the name I chose, but anytime I post something or videos of me performing, I see the comments, bro, you're a vibe, I like your vibes, you're a vibe. I was like, wow, I could use this to my advantage. So then I took the name, the mantra, the vibe. Not the vibe master, not the vibe nothing. I am the vibe. Then people started agreeing with it. People started calling me with it. So I'm like, okay, let me do a party. But then I don't want it to be like my previous party, which is Climax. Climax is me just hosting a night at a nightlife event. I want to create an experience. So I made that with the 3rd edition. So there were percussionists, there were belly dancers, saxophonists, there were gorilla drummers.
Okay.
Like a lot of things happening in every point in time. So maybe for the first 30 minutes, you see some DJ mashing it up. The next 30, you see somebody playing with fire around. Like things happen. And there's one thing I do that it's not done, but I'll put it out. I don't use, most events, they use backdrops where you go and take pictures. No, I actually put out photo art installations.
Oh.
Like a whole concept. So you have like a whole background with things built.
Okay.
So there was one time there was a couch with a board behind where everybody that comes to the event just sign. Okay. So you take a picture in front of it. The other time I built a TV set with my picture behind with a couch looking like an interview.
Yeah. And you're enjoying it as you're doing these.
Yes, there are so many things to do. People, even if you're a stranger, you don't have to know me to enjoy. You're seeing things happen. You are making friends.
Belly dancers.
Saxophonists playing to the girls. There's a whole lot happening.
Okay. Then I'm assuming this one is going to be even crazier.
Yes, I am.
Are you going to give anything away?
I am amplifying this. Okay, so I am assembling the Avengers. Let me put it that way. So top DJs, top MCs. So from the DJs, we have DJ Musi.
Yeah.
We have DJ Sleek. We have DJ Viroski.
Oh, Uncle. Uncle is coming.
We have myself. We have DJ A Fancy from New York.
Yeah, I saw that. Right?
Yeah, DJ A Fancy from New York.
Okay.
Yeah, there are a whole lot. MCs, there's...
Oh, Sheldon is coming.
Yes.
Oh, man.
So when I said Avengers, I wasn't kidding at all.
Okay. I see.
With the MCs, I have Kojo Manuel. I have...
Oh, Manuel's coming.
Yes.
Oh, man. Milzy is coming through.
So this year, with artists, there's Banzi Banero.
Are they going to perform?
Yes, they are going to perform.
Okay. Bubblegum Divas. Yes. Hallelujah. Bro, I'm going. Kojo Manuel is coming. Shout out to him. Okay.
DJ Lord on the balls. Yeah, the current DJ of the year.
Kitty's
and then we have Kitty coming through too.
Bro, it looks crazy.
So
who's that? Who's that?
Some boy be like that.
Yeah, he's fresh though.
He was in my DM. He wants to be on it. Yeah, so I said he's coming do like the 5 p.m. there.
Make you can't jam for them.
The early make you go out.
They look like they like
where you they stay to, you do they lock the big gate.
So they don't come.
Go use 3 tow boots and 1 motorbike.
Yeah. Pesa.
Pesa too much.
But so the date, please tell us about that, the time and where. Okay,
so the date is 2nd February, is on a Friday, so just next week Friday.
Okay.
And it's at Alora Beach Resort. Alora Beach is inside La Boma.
Okay.
So you enter the La Boma Beach, which is a very vast place with a lot of petty things in it. And then there's Alora inside. So you make your way into the La Boma Beach, and then you make your way to Alora. Okay. Yes. It's starting unofficially at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. when you come, there are games, like daytime stuff you can do. There is a pool, a swimming pool actually, not the beach. A pool aside the beach. Yeah. Pool, you can access the beach, you can do all that. But 9 p.m. is where the nightlife part starts.
Okay.
With the jams, the fire dancers, the belly dancers, the performances. Yeah.
Okay. So how can we get tickets?
Okay, so I don't want it to be stressful. I don't actually like charging people for my experiences. But this year, because I wanted to amplify it, I just wanted something to cushion the cost, even though, it will end up...
that's fact.
Yeah, that's fact. Yeah. So when you use the short code, Ego Tickets, so use the short code *713 *33 *06#.
Okay.
*713 *33 *06#. They are running the discount, so you can get it for, I think, 50 cedis, but with tax, it ends up at 53 cedis for a ticket.
Okay.
And then you can still come to the gate and come and pay, but it's higher at the gate. I think it's 100 cedis at the gate.
And I mean, the number is on the artwork, so if anybody's watching this...
Yes, or you can just enter my DM and ask what you want.
Ladies,
guys can't enter my DM.
Yes, the guys do enter. But okay, if you need extra assistance, just for the ladies, you can enter my DMs and I'll give you that number. No problem. If he won't say it to me, I'll say it as an assistant. Bro, thank you so much for coming through.
Thanks for having me.
So next week Friday, Alora Beach from 5 p.m., the games and all these things, and from 9 p.m.
So we are
ladies have to be in bikinis.
No, dress code, just feel comfortable.
I was going to say yes. That was the plan.
If you want to swim, bring your bikini.
Yes, ladies, please. We are all seeing the trousers every single day. Can't do the bikinis, bro. Once again, I'm going to support you. We're going to be there. Shout out to everyone who's going to come through. Go on his social media pages. He's posting the artworks constantly. I've also posted, so you can also get my DMs if you need any extra information or reach out to MX24. We're going to give you all that information as much as possible. I do have to let him go because he's going to get on with preparations, and I have to leave you guys. It's been an awesome conversation. Shouts to Dakwa for coming through. Shouts to my brother DJ Wallpaper. Have a very wonderful afternoon, but stick in to MX24. Salute.